Welcome to Kids Creativity, Valentine's Day song and photo frame.
I love my sister, I love my sister, she is my Valentine. I love my sister, I love my sister, she is my Valentine. She is so cute, she is so pretty, I love her very much.
Hello friends, welcome to Kids Creativity. Say hello friends, Ruhi.
Hello friends.
Yeah, I am Mahi and today we are going to do a Valentine craft. Let's make a heart, Ruhi. Hey, heart. Like this, make a heart. We love you, friends.
Love you friends.
And we are so excited. Right, Ruhi?
Yeah.
Okay. In this craft, we are going to make a frame for this picture. Do we show them? Yeah, this picture. This is a very old picture. In this picture, Ruhi is 1 year old and we are so young. Look, Ruhi looks like a little baby.
I'm too small.
Wow, I love this picture. And I will decorate this frame in heart shape. Ruhi, do you know heart shape?
Yeah, I know.
Oh, great!
They have lots of shapes.
Show me.
Wait, I show you.
Heart shape cushion.
This cushion. I sleep.
This magic wand.
This has a wand. Yeah. Oh, that's power.
Winter ear muff.
It's earbands. Where's heart? Wow. It's a spidery. Wow. I love it.
Okay, Ruhi, that's enough. Now let's start our craft. Yay!
Yay.
For this, we need 2 cardboards. This one and
This one.
in one there should be a heart shape. And in this plane, we will cover this with white paper. Like this. Hey Ruhi, be careful. Let's take picture like this. Will you give me glue? Thank you. Then put this like this. Wow, it's looking so cute. Look friends, I have cut out many different colors and shaped hearts.
Yeah, so many. I love that.
You are small, so you stick small ones and I will stick big ones. Okay, Ruhi? First big one. Stick.
Look, friends.
We made it.
We made it.
I love it so much.